Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. We have another Christmas themed video. This one is going to be specifically 50 Christmas sweater crochet ideas. Okay, so we have all skill levels in this video. We've got beginner sweaters, intermediate, advanced. We have ones for adults, ones for kids. So I tried to really hit like every little corner of this category, I guess. Speaking of categories, the only category in this video is Christmas sweaters, okay? I personally have never made a Christmas sweater before, like crochet wise, or I guess like any other way, but this specific video, researching for this one has definitely made me like reconsider and possibly make a Christmas sweater to wear to like family events this year, and I'm kind of excited, but also like, is it crazy to start a sweater right now? I don't know, but I know some of you guys were begging for sweater ideas, so I figured I want to get it out sooner rather than later so you have as much time as possible to make these Christmas sweaters. So before we jump into it, everything I say will be listed in the description box in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so you can make whatever I'm showing you, okay? So before we jump right into it, take a second and go subscribe to mine and Dylan's podcast channel. It's a video podcast, so you have something to watch while you crochet. Okay, so for the first sweater on our list, let me move over to the side like I usually do, so you've got some room. Oh, I almost unplugged my mic. For the first sweater on our list, we have this really cute child's reindeer sweater. It's super cute. You can also just use this alpha pattern like of a reindeer head if you want to add it on like a sweater vest or a sweater or something like that, and you don't necessarily need like a whole sweater pattern. There's that alpha pattern for you. You can also make this really cute Snoopy sweater, and I know that this one's not like specifically Christmas Snoopy, but you could make it Christmassy with the colors, so I like that. You can also make this penguin Christmas sweater, or even this Christmas tree Christmas sweater. We've got like two different styles. You can do one with like a white background like this one, or with a red background like this one with like the Grinch color green. So I kind of wanted you guys to see like two different color options for this pattern. You can also make an ugly Christmas sweater and do this crocheted sweater with a tree and add some ornaments and some streams on it, okay? You can also make a Christmas sweater for your dog, okay? Include your dog in the Christmas sweater festivities. Super cute. You can also make this winter snowflake red and white sweater, or even this little Rudolph jumper. Or if you want to kind of be like Christmas adjacent but not necessarily wear red and green if red and green is not your color, you can do a Charlie Brown jumper. Super cute. You can also just do like cardigans and sweaters made out of granny squares. Like there's this Grinch granny square, or even this gingerbread cookie square. Super cute. You can also just do like normal basic granny squares like this sweater, just in Christmas colors. And then here's another dog sweater, so you can add your dog to the fun. And then you can also use this Christmas present granny square to make a sweater, or this one's really cute because it's like a little family, okay? Tinsel crochet sweater, super cute. This one is a mini little reindeer head. It looks like it's a baby sweater pattern, super cute. And if you're kind of like, girl, my Christmas is a hot Christmas, it is not cold, you can settle for a Christmas vest like this one. You don't have to go all out. I know when I visit family for Christmas, the houses are always so hot, and I'm like, if I was wearing a crochet sweater, I think I would die of a heat stroke. So I would just opt for a Christmas vest pattern. You can also make this granny square crochet cardigan with Christmas squares like she did, or this Grinch sweater, which props to you if you're going to tackle that one, because tapestry crocheting is not my thing, but I love it. You can also use this, mistletoe granny square, or even this alpha pattern C2C crochet snowflake pattern. Or again, we have a snowman Christmas sweater vest, or even this granny square sweater vest if you don't want to do a whole granny square sweater. And you can also make this Snoopy Christmas sweater. Okay, you can use this Santa granny square, this Santa belt granny square, sorry. And then you can make this white and green Christmas tree sweater, or even this like really cute gingerbread sweater that has like a gingerbread pocket for candy canes. Like, how cute is that? You can make this snowman sweater, or you can look at these Christmas granny squares, the ho ho ho, the ornament one, the lights, super cute. I like this sweater. It's a Christmas tree kind of sweater with like, it's kind of subtle but cute, you know what I mean? I like that one. I like this crochet vest that's kind of like candy stripes, but with the fur, it kind of gives Santa. I kind of like that. I like the fur added onto it. You can also make this holiday sweater where it's just kind of like a strip of granny squares in the middle. You can even just do like a granny stitch granny square, granny stitch granny square sweater, like this one where it's just like one big granny square in the front and then the sleeves are granny square, if you don't want to make a bunch of smaller granny squares and attach them all together. You can also make this cute sweater vest with the granny squares, or even this sweater that's just the granny stitch. No squares, just a granny stitch. I like that one. Or you can make this Christmas sweater, which is lights, Christmas lights. I love that. You can make this Christmas sweater that looks like we're kind of doing a lot of color changes, or even just using one of those like gradient yarns that color change on their own. You can make this Christmas sweater that has Christmas tree squares in the middle. You can do it like this where it's kind of like, you know, Christmassy colors, or you can do this wintry one, same pattern but it's blue and white, so it's kind of giving like snowy Christmas, you know. You can use this alpha pattern for a peppermint candy to do whatever you want with it. And you can even make this Christmas Snoopy sweater as well. You can make this Christmas crochet vest with a little gingerbread house on the front. Again, loving the fur trim on these. It's so cute. It just adds a little touch of like winter into it. You can also make this, it looks like a C2C Christmas tree crochet sweater. I like that. I've never done C2C before, but you guys have told me in the comments that it is beginner friendly, so I recommend that. You can also check out these 13 sweater patterns. There's some cute ones in there that I haven't suggested already. You can just do like a raglan sweater in red and white like this one, and you can make it cropped or make it not cropped, whatever you want, but you don't have to necessarily use like a Christmas sweater pattern, you know what I mean? You can also do this granny square stitched Christmas vest, but play around with the colors specifically to make it look like a Christmas tree. So it's still the same stitch everywhere, but because of the way you're changing the colors, you can get that design. You can also make this Winnie the Pooh Christmas sweater, which is again tapestry crocheting. And you can do this red Christmas sweater vest with a gingerbread house and some gingerbread men on the front to make it even more Christmassy. And then again, add the fur trim on the neckline and the arm lines and the bottom to make it just like that little extra bit more Christmassy. And that is all I have for you for our 50 Christmas sweater crochet ideas. As always, everything I say is linked in the description box below in the order that I said it, linked to a paid or free written or video tutorial so that you can make whatever I'm showing you. If you're looking for a picture specifically, they're all on a cohesive Pinterest board, which is also linked down below. I'm trying to grow my TikTok and my Instagram, so if you're over there and you want to see more of me, go follow me over there. Those are linked down below, or I'll put them on the screen. Other than that, check out mine and Dylan's podcast. We're trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year as like a little Christmas present to us. Go check us out. Subscribe if you want. And yeah, we post every Thursday at noon, so you always have a weekly video to watch while you're crocheting if you need something to watch while you crochet. And we have a lot of fun holiday Christmas episodes planned for this month, so definitely go check us out over there. Comment down below if there's any 50 crochet idea videos that you want me to do that I haven't done before, and I will add them to the never ending list. But other than that, I will see you in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.